everyone, my name is Jamileh Deltalab and I'm 34 years old. I have Masters of TOEFL and I've been teaching English for almost 14 years. Today we're going to talk about some vocabularies useful to describe the view. There are so many fascinating scenes in the world. I think one of them is the city view. As you can see, this high-rise building has a fascinating view toward the city.
Fascinating. Fascinating. Extremely interesting or charming.
High-rise buildings are so intriguing because they make a very absorbing and charming view toward the beauty of the city.
Intriguing. Intriguing. Arousing one's curiosity or interest. Fascinating. Absorbing. Absorbing. Intensely interesting. Engrossing. Charming. Charming. Very pleasant or attractive.
Also, the sea view is so eye-catching, especially when the sun is setting.
Eye-catching. Eye-catching. Immediately appealing or noticeable. Striking.
I think the sunset is one of the most beguiling moments of life.
Beguiling. Beguiling. Charming or enchanting, often in a deceptive way.
Also, the views to the nature is so breathtaking, especially the views to the jungles and mountains.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking. Astonishing or awe-inspiring in quality, so as to take one's breath away.
Now it's your turn to practice the words you learned. What's intriguing for you? What fascinates you? Is the sunset eye-catching for you too? Do you feel the same as me? Don't forget to write in the comments below. See you around!